What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video, which is going to be a little bit of an improvised video, but in this video what we'll talk about is how to find the best cryptos to trade on a given day or moment. It can change throughout the day, but this is in general, look, if people are starting out with trading crypto and you want to find the bullish cryptos, that's one of the most difficult parts. All right, because what crypto do you want to analyze? Which crypto do you want to keep an eye on? Right, you need some sort of a method to find those cryptos. So that's what I'll try to give you in this video. We'll use two things, and I'll leave the links to those two things in the description as well. So this is a new trading education video, and the goal is to make you understand or to help you learn which cryptos are best to trade. Now, in general, look, what a lot of people do is basically they go to CoinMarketCap, they go to top gainers, and they look at these, which in general can help. I mean, some of these that have rallied a lot, this is a signal that they are bullish, right? So some of these will undoubtedly continue being bullish. However, there are other ways to actually find cryptos that are also strong and are showing signs of more bullish momentum, but that are not on this. Like, for example, at this point of time, I would say that a coin like Near is relatively strong, but it's quite low on this list. So I use two things for that. I use more things, but these things are most easy to understand. And that's the so-called spaghetti chart, which is basically, I'll leave a link to this in the description, and to the Orion terminal, which I'll also explain in a moment. But what this basically is its relative strength. All right, so all of these lines represent a crypto, and you can change it. If you double click it, you can just fill in a different symbol, and then you put it on the 1 minute time frame, and you don't need anything paid for this, nothing premium. And then what you can see is that, well, most cryptos are kind of moving together with each other, and then some cryptos are stronger than others, like Maker, like Stacks, were quite bullish. And you, first of all, you saw Maker being bullish at like 12:30. So if we go to Maker, just to show you this in practice, at 12:30, the price was right here, right? So the price after that continued to be bullish, which if you see it right now, you think, oh, super bullish. But back then, you could have already seen with the spaghetti chart that Maker was stronger than other cryptos. Or a crypto like Stacks right now shows to be relatively strong. So then you can look at Stacks and you can see, well, that is relatively strong, but there's also potential for some sort of a continuation. Because this is, like, I'm teaching you methods to find the cryptos. You still need to do the analysis yourself, all right? That's something completely different, and I could spend hours about that, and not just one video. But that way you can use the spaghetti chart, all right? So you can also zoom it in, and then you can see very like the time frame here on the bottom is basically the relative strength in that time period. So it's different if you zoom all the way out. Like if you zoom all the way out, what you'll see is that a coin like Whiff or Fetch are at the top, because here you can see since yesterday 8 o'clock they've been the strongest. Whiff and Fetch both got some nice bumps. But this way you can find cryptos that are stronger than other cryptos, basically just the top cryptos here on the right, and check them out. Analyze them, see if you like what you see. Do you see a breakout? Do you see some sort of continuation confirmation? And then you could potentially enter a trade, but that's up to you. And then the second thing is the Orion terminal. And there's two ways I like to use this. I use this in multiple ways, but these are the most easy ones. First of all, set it up like I've set it up, all right? So if you go to settings here at the top right, what I have in terms of statistics is change 1 hour, volume 1 hour, volume 8 hour, V delta 15 minutes, V delta 1 hour, OI change 15 minutes, OI change 1 hour, OI change 8 hours. Set it up like that. And then what I do, and like I said, I do more with this. So try to kind of fidget around and test some things yourself as well. But the main things I do is I look at which cryptos have the most volume. If a crypto has a lot of volume, that means that it's better to trade. And it also means that there's more momentum, all right? More people and more money is going around in that. So if you do that right now, of course, you'll see Bitcoin. Of course, you'll see Ethereum. Of course, you'll see Solana. But you can also see a coin like Lista. A lot of volume. I think the price action at this point of time, I'll show you real quick. no, I don't have the price action. I'm sorry. But that makes it interesting, all right? And you can see more coins. Some of them just always have a high volume, like Dogecoin, XRP. I would skip that, but then you see a coin like Metal or Bitcoin Cash. And basically this list allows you to see, and if you check it out every single day, you'll see some cryptos that are new, right? Some cryptos are always on there. So Pepe, Solana, Ethereum, Beeple, BNB, XRP, IO, Ordi, they're always there. But sometimes you see something new, and that means that all of a sudden one crypto has a lot of volume. That's interesting. Keep your eyes on it, all right? So an example is Stacks. Stacks is also on here. Bluezell, also an example. And then you can scroll down quite a bit, because even if you scroll down quite a bit, like $35 million in the last 8 hours in volume is still relatively high. And then the second thing is I also sort by open interest change the last 8 hours. All right, so here all the way to the right. Hopefully you can see everything correctly. But this is basically the amount of money that's opened in new positions, long and short, in the last 8 hours. So if that increases a lot, that means that more money is being put into positions. So more people are trading this. So here you have to be a little bit cautious. Like I would just completely forget about everything that has a dollar amount lower than 500,000. But you can see some cryptos like Lista, Bonk, Aave, Metis, Bake, CKB, BLZ, and Stacks, which gained a huge amount of open interest. Now, be careful with this because the most manipulated coins are also at the top here. So CKB, Bake, Metis, C98 or C89. They're all very manipulated. So what I would say is stick to the cryptos that you recognize. Stick to cryptos in the top 200, which also have a very high open interest change in the last 8 hours. Another sign of momentum, and that's what you need to watch. So, in summary, the best way to find the best cryptos to trade is first of all look at relative strength with the spaghetti chart, and then third of all look at the highest volume and the highest open interest change recently, so in the last 8 hours. And that's it for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.